Okay, great conversation. I want to come right back to you, Michael. It looks like we got a lawsuit from the Republican Party. You covered this week, and the State Board of Elections. Talk to us about it.
It would not be election season if lawsuits weren't flying in North Carolina.
It's a good season for lawyers.
Absolutely. So a few days ago, state and national Republicans filed a lawsuit against the State Board of Elections over a couple of issues, one of which dealing with observers at polling places. But the other one that's getting the most attention is what we've talked about a lot for the last few years. It's at mail-in ballots. The issue is that about a month ago, the State Board of Elections sent a memo out to local election officials saying that under state law, when you submit your mail-in ballot, as long as you postmark it by Election Day, the deadline is 3 days later. What happens this year, that's Veterans Day. State and national holiday, the mail does not get delivered. So the Board of Elections said that means that moves to the next business day, which happens to be Monday the 14th. So that's a 6-day gap between the date of the election and when the mail-in ballots would have to come in.
Does this apply to absentee as well?
Yes, this is the mail-in absentee ballots.
Okay.
That's what we're talking about here. And so the Republicans have sued, essentially saying the board didn't have the authority to make this change. But they have said that, look, we're just following what state law says. When you can't operate and do something on one day, it falls to the next business day. This happened in 2016 as well. The calendar fell the exact same way. Nobody made a fuss about it. And I did ask the Republicans about that. I said, this is the same issue we just saw 6 years ago. It wasn't a problem then. Why is it a problem now? I didn't get a clear answer to that other than them saying that, well, it's about transparency. People want to know the outcome of the election as soon as possible.